tell you my story. I wanna talk to them. Life is so beautiful. Life is more than a butterflies. Life is just like a rain. Life is just like a winter. Oh, when it touches you, when you're feeling okay, when you see it in your life, you got to move. So many things to be hard for you. When you're feeling pain, you got to relax your mind. When you walk in your bed, no one's to understand. When you go in your life, nobody wants to understand. When things are hard for you, nobody wants to understand. When you're moving on, nobody wants to understand. 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 Life is so hard for you. Nobody wants to understand. When things are hard for you, nobody wants to take you with the pain. Run to your mother, run to your father, run to anyone we disappoint you. Nobody wants to understand. Run to your mother, run to your father, run to anybody. Nobody wants to understand. Nobody wants to understand. Nobody wants to understand how you're feeling. Nobody wants to understand. Nobody wants to understand how you're feeling. Nobody wants to understand. Nobody wants to understand. Nobody wants to understand. Nobody wants to understand. Run to your mother, run on your father. Nobody wants to understand. Run to your father, run to everybody. Nobody wants to understand. 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 Oh, nobody wants to understand. Oh, nobody wants to understand. Nobody wants to. Nobody wants to.